Hi everyone, this is Farhan. You are watching Farhan Pulse. Difference between air conditioning and refrigeration. Did you notice how the air conditioner is different with the refrigerator? That is called fridge. In air conditioner, when you set at a particular degree, like 18 degree, the your room will automatically set to the temperature of 18 degree and constantly maintain the temperature throughout the day. But in the case of refrigeration, it is constantly removing heat from the inner side of your refrigerator. The air conditioning is the process of removing heat and moisture. That is called when you place a AC inside a closed room. So it will constantly removing the heat as well as moisture contents and dust content in your interior of our space. That is called as room to improve the comfort of occupants. That is called people, because AC makes us comfortable, because during the summer seasons it is become uncomfortable due to sweating or heat. But in the case of refrigerator, that is called fridge, it removes the constantly the heat from the sources, heat from low temperature reservoir and high temperature to transfer it to the high temperature reservoir. That is called low temperature reservoir, means inside of a fridge, that is called freezer and the fridge content. But the high temperature reservoir means outside of your fridge, that is called surroundings is a high temperature reservoir. So in case of fridge, the heat from the inside fridge is transferred to the outside of a fridge. So it contains both same products, like similar components in the AC as well as fridge. That is called compressor, condenser, evaporator and expansion valve. These are the things commonly used. But in the case of air conditioner, there is two units present. One is indoor unit, one is outdoor unit. The indoor unit is present inside of your room, the outdoor unit present in the outside of the room. The indoor and outdoor unit is connected by a copper pipes and cables. So there is no difference between air conditioner and a refrigerator. The only difference is AC maintains a constant temperature and keeps on removing the heat and dust and moisture content from the room, that makes us comfortable inside the room. But in the case of AC, there is two reservoirs. One is low temperature, that is inside of the fridge. One is outside is high temperature reservoirs. There is two reservoirs present. One is inside is called low temperature, outside is called high temperature. It keep on removes heat from the low temperature to transferring to the high temperature. That means inside you can keep a apple inside the refrigerator. It keeps on removing heat from the apple and throw it to the surroundings. That is called high temperature reservoir. Thank you for watching.